children, how are you? This is your science teacher of 5th class. Children, in previous class we will learn that what is the plant's life. Plant's life. So, how they reproduction, reproduction from leaves, seeds, roots. Already we see in that previous class. So, see this in your textbook page number 30. What is our lesson name? Plants life. Already we are observing that starting to grow. That means germination. Germination from seed. Already we will explain that in the plant's life of part 1. Now already I am explaining that one. What is that parts in a plant? Parts of a plant also explained. Today we are going to that activity 2. See the textbook page number 15 children. Activity 2. So divide the class into 3 groups. Give a plant to each group as mentioned below. Study process of reproduction. That means how the reproduction in potato, bryophyllum leaf and carrot. So here observe that I am giving that group 1. That means divide in each group 5 students or 6 students are there. So first group take that potato and second group take that bryophyllum leaf and third one is take that carrot. So here observe the children instruction. Group 1 instruction I am giving that instruction for that group 1. Take a fresh potato. This is the fresh potato for you. Observe the scale sound with the help of magnifying glass. You know the magnifying glass? It shows small letters, very big. That means here also say that take the fresh potato and observe that with magnifying glass scales. That means in that potato you observe that potato if you take that home 1 or 2 days, after 3 days you will observe that some small scales on it above. That is called a scales. What is that? Scales. So here observe the children. This is that scale of leaf. After telling that one. So and small some buds also there. So here observe that this is called a eye. What is that? Eye. And scale of scale leaf. Scale of leaf. Scale leaf. This is the part of a potato. And that where is the scale of stem? This is the scale of stem. Scale of stem. And germinating eye bud. This is called a small leaf is outside for the bud or not? Germination. Germination from bud. B-U-D bud. That means called as eye. So first one. So these scales are also called eyes. These scales are also called what is that? Eyes. Small buds on the potato. You will observe that. That is called a eye. That is called a what is that? Eye. Also called what is the another name? Scale. And cut a few pieces. That means cut the eye bud and cut the few pieces from potato with eye. Bury them in that oil. Give water to pieces regularly from few days and observe their progress. That means you cut small eyes from potato and you put in the soil and regularly give to them water after what you observe that. So that is that group 1 instruction. And group 2 take as what is the leaf here? Bryophyllum leaf. Take a bryophyllum leaf. This is the bryophyllum leaf. Keep the margin of the leaf moist. That means take in some water and place this leaf along with the margin in the soil in a pot or press it. That means you take the leaf and keep in the soil or put in the pot and press it. Then sprinkle water on the soil every day. Sprinkle water. Don't give the water directly. You sprinkle water on them. Then what you observe that. And group 3. Group 3, what are you taking here? You observe that, Nana. So here this is called a notch. What you say that? Notch. And this one is called a bud. B-U-D. Bud. Here observe that small roots are come outside or not. After few days, after 1 week, you will observe that these are the called adventitious roots. What are that? Adventitious root. And this is called a shoot. What you say that? This is called a shoot. So you take that bryophyllum leaf and you keep in that moist, that means water places, and keep in that soil and press it. After you observe 3 days or 4 days, then you observe what you observe that small roots are come outside of that leaf. That is called adventitious roots. What you say that? Adventitious root. And this one is already you know that is called a notch. And some small plants are come out from that leaf. That is called a shoots. What you say that? Shoots. And group 3 instructions are take a carrot, cut the head part. Take a carrot and cut the head part. And put a number on them on a flat plate. You take in that flat plate and add water. What you observe them. Then you observe that cluster leaves arising from head of that carrot. You don't put in that soil. You just observe that small parts are come out from that head part. Then you notice it. Then what you conclude that we conclude that the vegetative parts of the plant. What are the vegetative parts? Vegetative parts are roots, stem. That is that vegetative parts. Reproductive parts are what are that? Flower. What is that? Flower. So here observe that we can conclude that vegetative parts of a plant can give us new plants. Male sex organ and pistil is the female sex organ of a flower. Male sex organ and male sex organ and pistil is a female sex organ of a flower. Let us now study the various parts of a stamen and pistil. So here observe that first we are going to the reproduction from leaves. Leaves play an important role in that life plant, providing means to collect and store sunlight for photosynthesis. You know that what is the meaning of photosynthesis? Already you know that. Still leaves invariably fall and scattered by that wind. Some plants have adapted to use this to their advantage and store everything necessary to reproduce in their leaves. That means you take that pudina leaf, pudina plant, take in that soil, and after you observe that new in a stem part that having that new leaves are come outside, and it has buds along the edges of its leaves. What is that? Edges of it. Suppose you will observe that here some of that this is that one of that part of a plant. This is the leaf part of a plant. You will observe in the soil small roots are come outside. Come out. So you observe that you know this is called a what is that? Crown part. What is that? Crown part. And already you know that these are all are roots. These are all are what is that? roots. That means if you take one of the plant into the soil, filled with the soil, then you observe that again the leaves are come out from that stem or crown. So now we are going to that reproduction from roots. Reproduction from roots. Roots of already we are observing potato root, carrot, and that sweet potato. So see that root of some plants such as sweet potato produce new plants. See in your textbook, sweet potato. This is the potato, and this is the one of the plant, grassy plant, and this is the leaf. So roots of some plants such as sweet potato produce new plants. Support a sweet potato in a jam bottle full of waste using toothpicks as shown. What is that? Toothpicks. That means you take that one of the sweet potato, after you observe that in a jar or kept in a plate, after you observe 1 or 2 weeks, then small buds are come outside from that sweet potato. And here observe the picture, children. This is the sweet potato. Adventures root buds is come outside. And here this is a stem tuber of a potato. Scarab stem, scale leaf, and supporting bud. And this is the runner of candon. Nodes are come outside. And this is that adventures roots. And this is, you know, that bryophyllum leaf. That is bryophyllum roots. And also these are the buds is give as roots, and above side they give as that some leaves also come outside. And now children, we are going to that reproduction from seeds. A seed develops an oval after fertilization. You know that seed is look like a which type of figure here? Observe that seed. This is that seed. See that, Nana? Seed. Look like a this one like or not seeds? Is there like which shape? You know, kidney. You know, in our body kidney shapes like also seed shape. This is like a seed. So here observe that main features also there here. Seed have main features. The first one is testa. What children? Here observe that we are going to that seed. This is that seed. Main features. Main features of a seed. So what is the first one here giving as testa? What is that? Testa. And next second one is hilum. And the third one is micropyle. Micropyle. And next one radicle. What is that? Radicle. And that fifth one is plumule. And the sixth one is cotyledons. These are the parts of a main features of a seed. So what is the first one? Testa. Testa means a tough hard outer coat of the testa protect the seed from fungi. You know, you observe the seed, that is the total part is outside part is very hard. That is called a testa. What is that? Testa. It is protected from fungi, bacteria and insects. It has to be split open by the radicle before germination can proceed. That means you keep in the soil, keep the seed in the soil, then you observe that two, what are that split open and one of that new leaf is come outside. So now we are going to that hilum. The hilum is a scale left by stalk which attacked the oval to the ovary wall. That means this is the hilum. What do you say that? Hilum. So this part is shaped which like a oval shape. This is called a oval. And the micropyle. So see that, observe that the micropyle is a tiny pore in the testa opposite tip of that radical. It admits water to the embryo before active germination. That is the total. This opposite is called a micropyle. And now we are going to that radical. The radical is the embryonic root. That means if you keep in the soil seed, that means roots also germinate from the seed. That is called a radical. This is the reproductive part of a plant or seed. So now we are going to the pumile. The pumile is the embryonic shoot. What is that? Embryonic shoot. It in 2 or more leaves. That means after you observe the 3 days, it open to split before some small leaves are come outside. That is called a pumile. And cotyledon, the grasses and narrow-leaved plants like the iris and bluebell have seed with the only cotyledon. The other flowering plants all have 2 cotyledons. How many cotyledons? 2. Some are only 1. And they are leaves attached to the pumile and radical by short stalks. Stalk means like this one. Stalk. This is that stalk. After coming leaves. First leaves. After they become as a stalk. And find the result during early stages of germination. In most plants, the cotyledons are got out of a testa. You know the testa? This is the hard part of a called as a testa. These are the reproduction from leaves and reproduction from roots and reproduction from seeds. Children, in the third part we will learn in the next class. Thank you children. Have a nice day.